have found your venue, you have chosen your flowers, and now you are staring at your screen, wondering, do I spend 30 euro on a gorgeous template or do I invest in something made just for us? This video is going to help you make that decision with confidence. Your wedding invitation is not just a piece of paper. It is the very first moment your guests experience your wedding. Before the flowers are arranged, before the music begins, before anyone walks down the aisle, that envelope arrives in someone's hands and it sets a tone. So the choice between a template and custom stationery actually a bigger decision than most couples realize. And today I'm going to break it all down honestly, clearly, and without the fluff, so you can choose what's right for your day. Now, let's start with the basics because I find a lot of couples aren't completely clear on what each option actually means. So, easy templates, they are pre-designed, ready-made invitation suite available on platforms like Canva, Etsy, or Minted. You add your names and details, choose a print shop, and you have done. Quick, affordable, and perfectly lovely for many weddings. Now talk about the custom stationery. A fully bespoke experience designed from scratch by a stationery designer. Every element, the typography, the illustration, the paperweight, the finish, is built around your specific wedding story. Nothing else like it exists in the world. Let's compare them on the factors that actually matters. Templates are undeniably more budget friendly. You can have beautiful invitations for as little as 20 euro to 80 euro for a digital file. You print yourself or slightly more for a print and ship service. Custom stationery is an investment. A full bespoke suite typically starts around 300 euro and can reach into the thousands for hand illustrated, foil pressed, and letterpress designs. And here's what I always say to couples who hesitate at that number. You will spend more on your floral centerpieces than on the thing every guest touches first. If your wedding is in 6 weeks and you haven't ordered stationery yet, templates are your best friend. You can have something beautiful ready to send in a matter of days. Custom stationery requires planning. The design process alone can take 2 or 4 weeks, and production adds another 2 to 6. The sweet spot for ordering bespoke is 4 to 6 months before your wedding. If you are watching this early in your planning journey, this is your sign to start now. Here's where the two options diverge most significantly. With a template, you are working within someone else's creative vision. You can change the names, the date, maybe a font or a color, but the bones of the design belong to someone else. With custom stationery, everything begins with you. Your venue, architecture, your wedding colors, your monogram, your family's heritage. I have designed suites that featured hand illustrated maps of the bride's grandmother's village, botanical prints of the groom's family crest, even original watercolor paintings of the ceremony location. That is the power of bespoke. Think about the last time you received something truly beautiful in the post. Not an email notification or a digital save the date, an actual invitation that felt like it was made with care. That is what a premium custom invitation does. Guests keep them, they frame them, they talk about them. A template serves its purpose beautifully and gets the information across. But custom stationery creates a moment before your wedding has even begun. Choose template. If your stationery budget is under 150 euro total, Your wedding timeline is under 8 weeks away. You are planning an intimate, relaxed celebration where stationery is functional rather than focal. You are a design savvy DIY bride who loves customizing things yourself. Choose custom if you are planning a luxury themed or destination wedding where every detail tells a story. You want your guests to feel like the magic before they arrive. You are working with a wedding planner or venue with a specific aesthetic vision. You want an heirloom piece, something you will still treasure in 20 years. Now, I want to share two things with you that most stationery designers won't say out loud. Your stationery sets the emotional temperature of your wedding before a single guest steps foot in the venue. When someone opens a beautifully crafted envelope, feels the weight of the card, sees the detail of the print, they already know this wedding is going to be extraordinary. Templates cannot manufacture that feeling. Craft does. The couple who invest in custom stationery almost universally say the same thing after their wedding. It was the detail I didn't know I needed, because your invitation suite is not just logistics, it is the opening chapter of your love story told on paper. So, if this video helped you, save it now and share it with the bride to be who is still deciding. And if you are leaning toward custom stationery for your wedding, I had love to hear about your day. The link to inquiry is in the description below. Subscribe for more honest expert guidance on luxury wedding stationery, because your wedding deserves decisions made with intention, not just convenience. Thank you.